नमस्कार, मैं हूं अशोक व्यास। विजन ऑफ एशिया अ वॉइस ऑफ द कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में आपका स्वागत है। आज सोमवार के दिन जब विजन ऑफ एशिया कार्यक्रम में हम आपसे जुड़ रहे हैं तो पिछले सप्ताह की कई बातें हमारे साथ हैं, जिसमें से एक बात ऐसी है जिसका अभ्यास उम्र भर हमारे साथ रहना चाहिए और वो है इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योग से संबंधित। कोविड-19 के चलते योग का यह उत्सव अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हर बरस की तरह नहीं मनाया जा सका, लेकिन वर्चुअल सेलिब्रेशन योग के बहुत सारे हुए। उनमें से एक का आयोजन ITV गोल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल और फेसबुक पर भी प्रदर्शित किया गया था इस रविवार को। उसकी कुछ झलकियाँ आज के कार्यक्रम में हम आप तक पहुंचाएंगे और उसकी जो विविधता है उसको देखकर आपको आनंद भी आएगा और कुछ प्रेरणा के बिंदु भी आपके साथ ठहर जाएंगे। तो गुजारिश आपसे है, हमारा साथ जो आप दे रहे हैं वो बनाए रखें। होते हैं हाजिर इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम और हम सभी के जीवन में उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं। उन स्थितियों का सामना, अनिश्चयपूर्ण अवसर जो आते हैं उनका सामना करने के लिए हमें तैयार करता है योग का अभ्यास। स्वस्थ जीवन को अपनाने के साथ साथ कोविड-19 के दौर में हमारे भीतर की इम्यूनिटी को मजबूत करने में भी योग का अभ्यास हमारी मदद करता है। इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योग के संबंध को लेते हुए एक विशेष आयोजन 29 जून से ठीक एक दिन पहले यानी रविवार 28 जून को कई संगठनों के साथ मिलजुल कर एक उत्सवमय कार्यक्रम जो वर्चुअल योग सेलिब्रेशन प्रस्तुत किया गया, इन्वोकिंग वननेस, उसकी कुछ झलकियाँ प्रस्तुत हैं।
Friends, yoga enhance our quest for a healthier planet. It has emerged as a force for unity and deepens the bonds of humanity. It does not discriminate. It goes beyond race, color, gender, faith, and nations. Anybody can embrace yoga.
दीपो ज्योति परब्रह्म, दीपो ज्योति जनार्दन, दीपो हरतु मेध्वांतम, संविद द्वीप नमोस्तुते। शुभम करोतु कल्याणम, आरोग्यम सुख संपदा, द्वेष बुद्धि विनाशाय, आत्म ज्योति नमोस्तुते, आत्म ज्योति प्रदीप्ताय, गुरु ज्योति नमोस्तुते।
Kudos to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi that he made yoga or he increases awareness of yoga internationally. So I'm very proud of that my Prime Minister of India, Honorable Narendra Bhai Modi, has made in 2015, June 21st is a International Yoga Day. Yoga is really a great thing one can do. One should incorporate yoga as a part of the daily activities. And you don't need much time. 15 to 20 minutes of yoga, any form, either respiratory breathing or stretching or bending or asanas or whatever you do, that 15-20 minutes of yoga will boost your immune system, definitely makes you more energetic, and your day will start better and will end better. And if you do that, then you will see that your overall health will be great, and you feel and you will feel subjectively and objectively very healthy. So I wish everyone that please do that, and I wish everyone who is promoting yoga should keep promoting the yoga. Thank you, and again I thank my Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
योग को पूरे विश्व में प्रचलित करने की दिशा में आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फाउंडेशन के संस्थापक श्री श्री रविशंकर जी को भी बड़ी श्रद्धा के साथ याद किया जाता है और 152 से अधिक देशों में आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फाउंडेशन के कार्यकर्ता योग के साथ जोड़कर प्रसन्नता से जीवन को अपनाने की दिशा में लोगों की मदद कर रहे हैं। श्री श्री रविशंकर जी ने इस अवसर पर हमें क्या संदेश दिया, आइए उस तरफ बढ़ने के साथ साथ एक अंश उस फिल्म का भी जो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फाउंडेशन ने योग के इतिहास को स्पष्ट करने के लिए तैयार की है।
Maharishi Patanjali, considered to be the authority on yoga, propounded yoga nearly 5,000 years ago. Lord Krishna and many saints of India have also spoken about yoga. In the Middle Ages, the practice of yoga was confined only to the royal and the scholarly class. It was taught to students in gurukuls after passing a rigorous test. In the recent years, by the effort of many spiritual and religious leaders of India, the doors of yoga have been opened to the common man.
In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna reminds us, Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddhyo samo bhutva samatvam yoga uchyate. Samatvam is equanimity. It is not being too high, not being too low in the face of contrast of situations which are favorable or unfavorable.
And just imagine, the longest day, the 21st of June, has been declared as the World Yoga Day. I'm happy and I congratulate the United Nations and all its 177 members who have supported this initiative. See, it's through yoga we can create able citizens, peaceful citizens. We can put an end to the violence that's happening in the world all over. You know, and yoga is that which unites people across religion, race, nationality. I'd like to congratulate our teachers in 152 countries who have struggled hard to keep the knowledge alive, working against all odds and prejudice in the world. And today, their hard work has come to fruition. And I once again congratulate and thank our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, who has rightly given the much needed state patronage, a recognition for this ancient wisdom.
योग का जो आयोजन है वो हमारे जीवन को प्रसन्नता और प्रफुल्लित भाव से भरने के साथ साथ उत्सवमय भी बना देता है और योग की इतनी सारी शाखाएं भी हमारे सामने उजागर हुई हैं। उनमें से हंसने को किस तरह आप योग का अंग बना सकते हैं या वो योग का अंग है उसके बारे में सजगता भी बढ़ाने की दिशा में क्या कुछ किया जा रहा है, आइए उसका एक परिचय लें।
Let's do wipe your stress laughter.
Like
Stress is everywhere and particularly during these COVID-19 times. We had too much stress. So let's wipe it off and laugh. So wipe it off your forehead. Hey! To create a hey sound. Hey! Let's take a breathing break. Oh, it's tiring. So raise your arms up, breathe in and breathe out, embrace yourself. And breathe in again, embrace the whole world. We all are one. And breathe out, embrace yourself. And let's continue laughing.
So we were talking about stress. You know, one thing that gives a lot of us lot of stress is our credit card bill. So instead of taking stress, what we'll do is we'll turn that into an opportunity to laugh. So bring out your imaginary credit card bill, look at it, and just laugh at it.
फिर एक बार आपका स्वागत है विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में। ये कार्यक्रम सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार और गुरुवार की शाम 8 बजे ITV गोल्ड पर आपकी सेवा में पेश करने के अलावा इसका एक खास साप्ताहिक अंक हम आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं रविवार को सुबह 11 बजे। आपकी उत्साहवर्धक प्रतिक्रियाओं से हमारा संबल बढ़ता है। वो संबल बढ़ाने का जो आपका प्रेम है वो हमारे साथ बना रहे। कार्यक्रम जारी रखेंगे इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। बने रहें हमारे साथ। ईशा फाउंडेशन के संस्थापक सदगुरु जग्गी वसुदेवा जी को अब सब मुख्यतः सदगुरु के नाम से ही पहचानते हैं और उनकी वक्तृत्व कला के साथ साथ बौद्धिक रूप से प्राचीन ज्ञान को आधुनिक विज्ञान के साथ और हमारे प्रासंगिक समाज के सरोकारों के साथ जोड़कर व्यक्त करने की उन्हें जो महारत हासिल है उसका सभी लोहा मानते हैं। योग के अवसर पर इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा को मनाने के लिए कुछ अवसर ऐसे हुए जब वो यूनाइटेड नेशंस में भी उपस्थित थे। इस बार वर्चुअल सेलिब्रेशन के अंतर्गत क्या कुछ खास बातें सुनने को मिली सदगुरु से, आइए देखें उसकी ये झलक।
Right now, a whole lot of studies are saying that during this moment of pandemic and post this pandemic situation, one of the biggest challenges will be psychological crisis that human beings will face. Well, when a problem is thrown at us, we should not become a problem. This is very, very important. For this, there is no better way to approach life than through the yogic system. When I say yogic system, first of all, being in North America, it is very important all of you put this across to the people. Yoga does not mean a series of physical exercises. Well, there is a physical dimension to it, but yoga means what is you, what is not you becomes very clear in your awareness. What is you and what you have gathered. What you have gathered in the form of society, relationships, wealth, body, psychological imprints, these are all things we have gathered. What we gather are always supposed to serve us, not turn against us. Right now, when we say psychological crisis, what we are saying is our own intelligence, our own emotions are turning against us. So, the simple yogic processes that we are offering you for this International Yoga Day has the power to liberate you from this and also enhance your immune system in a significant way. There are enough studies to show this, but it is not about study. As far as I am concerned, I am a living proof of this. I would like every one of you to experience this, not only experience this, be instruments of offering this to large number of people. It's very important that in many ways, United States being in a leadership position in the world for various aspects of life, it's important. The populations in North America come out of this in a victorious and successful way. Unfortunately, a huge number of people have paid the price of losing their lives. It is very important that we stay alive and we stay physically, mentally healthy and put the nation and the world back on its track once again. This is important that your personal life, that your emotional life, your nation and the world, humanity as a whole, should get back on the track as quickly as possible. For this we need all of you mentally stable, emotionally balanced, physically strong within yourself. This can be achieved through simple aspects of yoga. So the practices, the simple practices that are being offered to you are powerful tools to bring these dimensions to you, to create a little bit of space between you and your physiological structure, between you and your psychological structure. This means you are little away from the source of suffering. your ability to handle your body and your ability to handle the mental structure will be greatly enhanced. Namaskar yourself into peace. Namaskar yourself into love. Namaskar yourself into union. Know the union of yoga on this International Yoga Day. Let us put our hands together and unite the world. May you unfold your being with folded hands.
You know, the ancient yogic tradition, we have this neti, where they pour water from one part of the nose, one nostril, and take it out from the second nostril. And then they repeat the same thing from this nostril to this nostril. And it's a brilliant process, it cleans up the nose. This process of rinsing with tolerable warm water. But don't use just the plain water. I would recommend you use slightly hypertonic solution than isotonic solution. When someone somehow need to find the medication, vaccinations to prevent this from going any further, we can try to prevent with these old well-proven techniques, but there is no guarantee. What I have just recommended to you is a good hygienic habit, even if it may not prevent any infection, but it's a great thing. And since our elders have been using this for eons of time, and it had prevented them from getting flu or cold-like symptoms, I thought of sharing this with you. Worst scenario, what will happen? It will be as good as not using anything. It's not going to harm your health anyway.
While you may know the benefits of Malakam, what you may not know is in these days of COVID-19, there are benefits of Malakam that reach beyond. It helps build up your immunity, it helps restore respiratory function and improve cardiac function as well.
Thank you very much.
I am Shakti Dev Priya, and it is my privilege and pleasure to be part of this noble initiative on the International Day of Yoga by Consulate General of India, New York. We all have gathered to celebrate this festival of yoga that is mostly recognized, typical of its asanas, pranayams and various other complex techniques.
Yogena chittas padena vacha layam sharirasya vedakena yopakarantam pravaram munina patanjali pranjali ranastomi.
Namaste. Hello everyone. Happy International Yoga Day to everyone, especially to the yoga lovers. Practicing everyday yoga with meditation keeps you mentally and physically healthy and happy.
So I would welcome all of you to join Vihangam Yoga family and learn the technique to control your mind with your intelligence and the instruction of a Himalayan yogi. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shanik Shah. I'm president of World Vegan Vision, an institution that was started by visionary Mr. H.K. Shah almost 25-30 years back in a small corner of Long Island. That was the time when vegetarianism was considered a taboo in a carnivorous country. But his inner passion, his vision, and his compassion for the animals made this institution go further and further. And after 30 years, we are here. We have fruitioned into World Vegan Vision, an institution with a belief that veganism and the plant-based lifestyle is the ultimate benefit to the humankind.
Yoga and Ayurveda, both art forms, teaches us how to heal our body. Yoga strengthens our body and our mind, as well as yoga teaches us how to live in this present moment, and Ayurveda teaches us how to take care of our body by good diet, exercise, meditation, breathing, daily routine, and relax.
Today I am demonstrating Vrikshasana. Bring your right leg to the left thigh, open your hands, turn your palm, bring your hands up and stay for 10 seconds.
So the first asana that I'm going to be doing is Trikonasana. So I'm going to be taking my right leg and spreading it out and having my arms out like this. And then I'm turning my foot and my head. And then I'll be going down like this and looking up to my arm. And then I come back.
आज का विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम मुख्यतया समर्पित है योग के अभ्यास को अपने जीवन में अपनाने की प्रेरणाओं के साथ। इस दिशा में पिछले रविवार को जो कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किया गया था इनवोकिंग वननेस, उसकी कुछ झलकियाँ। और अब आज का विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम समाप्त करने से पहले हम फिर आपको याद दिला दें कि फेसबुक पेज पर आप ITV गोल्ड के फ्रेंड बने, ITV गोल्ड के यूट्यूब चैनल को अवश्य सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही इवेंट्स के बारे में हमें लिखते रहें events@itvgold.com पर। हमारा साथ देने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हुए स्वस्थ रहें, अपना ख्याल रखें और कोरोना वायरस से हम मुक्त होने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, पर जो सोशल डिस्टेंस है और मास्क लगाने इत्यादि जो कुछ हिदायतें दी गई हैं उनका पूरे निष्ठा के साथ पालन करना हमारे अपने और हमारे अपनों के स्वास्थ्य के लिए आवश्यक है। उस तरफ आपका ध्यान दिलाते हुए आज के कार्यक्रम में हमारा साथ देने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। अशोक व्यास को अनुमति दें।